Hello heathens, today I'm going to change the amount of transmission fluid on the Ford Ranger. Going to start by removing the fuel plug. All transmissions have a fuel plug and a drain plug. Once you remove the fuel plug, locate the drain plug and remove that as well. Drain the liquid. Make sure it's completely dry. As you can tell, there's a lot of metal debris, which makes sense because I do have an issue with my second gear synchro. But that's a video for a different day. Once you're done draining all the fluid, put the drain plug back in. I recommend you to pick up a transfer pump. I got this one at Harbor Freight, $7 or $8. Works great. I'm also going to add a Lucas transmission additive, just because it's a high mileage vehicle. See if it helps. Set everything up, start filling up, start pumping. It's a slow process with the Lucas. It would help if I would have heated up the bottles so it wouldn't be so thick. You're gonna fill up your transmission fluid all the way up to the fill hole. Once it starts leaking a little bit, put the cap back in. And you're done. Clean up. Hey guys, if you liked my video, please like and subscribe.